In this video, I will show with you how you can delete your oopbuy account. So let's get started. First, go to your profile, click on the home. From this home, go to your account. From this account, go to account security, and then look for delete option on your account setting, or you can go to account receivable from this option. And then guys, if you don't have any option to delete your account, just contact support team from this option. And then from this one, click write this message. I want to uh, delete my account, and then click this leave information. Select your types, for example, orders, or click on other. Here, this option. From here, write your script. For example, I want to delete my account. Write your send. Then you will support guide you and you can delete your account by following these steps or this guide from the support team, and then you will can delete your account. So guys, just follow these simple steps, and then you can also use the contact us option. From this contact us option, you can reach support team to delete your account. So friends, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this video for more content.